From the block man to the graveyard, I was in funeral lines behind 100 cars. I'm here missing mine, covering up 100 scars. I been torn and tattered, I been bruised and shattered. Asked to be a pallbearer, belief I wasn't flattered. I was honored to take that final walk with you. Looking back, Eric, man, I wish we saw the big picture. Just got our first cars and started grinding hard. You was in the PA, I was in the Skylark. Had bitches on a brain and a mouth full of game. Now it won't be the same. I'm hiding tears in the rain, but I'm still pushing, man. Still heavy in the game. See all them snakes change. Now they loving you, man. Should've seen them hoes cry that night at your wake. I was in the parking lot drinking on that E&J. Hey.
I just can't take all the pain behind 100 cars in the rain.
3 months later, I lost my cousin Dave. From the cradle to the grave, man, he put me in the game. Summertime in the field, it was hotter than a torch. We was clowning every day, drinking hen on the porch. Used to roll up them windows and torch that Jane, mopping down Tip Street, burning up the whole lane. Now I'm at Floral Park and it's been 10 years and I'm still leaving roses and shedding these tears. Yeah.
I just can't take all the pain behind 100 cars in the rain. I'm gonna miss you.
They had cameras in my face asking about how to feel. I said my ace is out there missing. How the fuck you think I feel? Used to ride every day in that Delta 88. And he told me about your snakes way before he passed away. Cause he wasn't all about popping St. Egg bars. Strippers at the brass, flipping bricks, fast cash. He was all about his family, he was all about his friends. Now I see Lil Roll dipping that Delta in the wind. Still see David, Lil B, and Loudmouth James Jones, and brother Jake, Chris Brown, and Big Jason Stone. And we all got love, and that's on the 23rd. Till we meet again, Mike, I'm pouring liquor on the curb, boy.
Cause I just can't take